Contestant number 9, Chivalry Laltang, Meghalaya. Eagle, the strength of Meghalaya. On the Miss Universe India stage, Chivalry soars as the living spirit of the eagle, majestic, fearless and free. Her national costume, adorned with grand wings and intricate details, symbolizes power, vision and pride. More than a costume, it reflects her roots in Meghalaya, a land where women lead, traditions thrive, and identity is strength. Coming from a matrilineal society, she carries the grace of her heritage and the courage of her dreams. She does not just wear the eagle, she becomes it. A voice from the hills, a force of nature, she rises above, proud to represent her people and purpose, Meghalaya.
Contestant number 12, Evelyn Zachingpui from Mizoram. Evelyn's costume honors Chuang Tingleri, the legendary Mizo queen who ruled the animal kingdom with grace and power. It reflects Mizo mythology, where hunting proved valor for the afterlife. The intricate ponche pattern celebrates the rich heritage of Mizoram. Mythologically royal and culturally proud, she embodies Mizoram's beauty, one vibrant flower in India's diverse garden. Her branches signify the state flower of Mizoram. Contestant number 14, Jacqueline Pradhan from Sikkim. Celebrating 50 years of statehood and Sikkim's rich biodiversity and a tribute to her trans community. She proudly represents Sikkim, a land of breathtaking landscapes, deep traditions and vibrant diversity. Since joining India in 1975, Sikkim has blended heritage with progress. She showcases its culture, unity, and every corner of its hilltop beauty. More than a destination, Sikkim reflects harmony, resilience, and pride, a spirit she carries with honor and purpose. Contestant number 18, Kelulu Dahuo from Nagaland, with the theme Fudale, Spirit of the First Song. Her costume draws from Fudale, the mystical spirit who sang the first laments and lullabies amongst the Chokri-speaking Chakisang. Source of mourning songs and weaving chants, she embodies emotion, memory, and feminine wisdom. More than fabric, it is women's voices carried through time. A sacred muse gifting song, sometimes through dreams, to chosen women.
Contestant number 19, Khumjar Debarma Tripura. Thansa, the spirit of Tripura, rooted in heritage, united in identity. Khumjar's national costume, designed by Esther, celebrates Tripura's rich heritage. The crown, inspired by Ma Tripureshwari temple, symbolizes cultural pride. Traditional Risha and Rugnai tell her people's story. A handcrafted flap features Thansa, Kokborok for unity. Gifted by King Pradyut Kishore Debarman alongside Tripura's landmarks, tribal attires and wildlife, reflecting her advocacy for a clean northeast. A sacred staff with God Goria's face completes the look.
Contestant number 26, Neha Barua from Assam, with the theme Makamakya. In the mystical hills of Assam stands the revered Kamakya temple, a powerful symbol of feminine energy and creation. Inspired by Makamakya, the goddess of desire and fertility, who embodies Shakti in all her fierce nurturing, and eternal forms. Her costume is a tribute to divine strength and traditions and the celebration of womanhood. Through this ensemble, she honors the sacred force that lives within every woman, unapologetic, powerful, and divine. She is her voice, she is her daughter, Jai Makamaka.
Contestant number 27. Contestant number 40, Sarantham Nirupama, Manipur. The goddess of Manipur. Channeling the spirit of a Meitei goddess, this hand-woven costume is a proud tribute to Manipur's rich heritage and the strength of its women. The lotus pink Thamba Lekhok Fanek, Sangai adorned Enafi, purity-filled Urikset with Kajingle headgear and Shirui lily wings reflect the state's beauty and power. Saroi Garoi dolls hang from her hands as conquered spirits, marking her triumph over darkness and her mission to bring peace, unity, and hope.
Contestant number 41, Komal from Arunachal Pradesh with the theme, The Land of the Rising Sun. Her costume embodies the rich culture and resilient spirit of Arunachal Pradesh. At its heart is the kamle, a hand-woven traditional garment of indigenous women, each thread telling a story of strength, identity, and heritage. Motifs and colors honor the Mithun, their revered state animal symbolizing harmony, prosperity, and unity. In marriage, gifting a Mithun reflects deep respect and commitment. Blending traditional textiles with bold accents, this attire celebrates the harmony of strength and grace. With every step, she carries her ancestors' stories, the spirit of their women, and the bond with nature. Contestant number 48, Tokmem Magu from Arunachal Pradesh with the theme Hornbill, the bird of Arunachal. She represents Arunachal Pradesh, honoring nature, tradition, and tribal pride. Inspired by the great Indian hornbill, the ensemble features an Adi tribe's war costume headpiece, symbolizing guardians and protectors. The Gelingale and Poreng panel signify spiritual significance and ancestral patterns. This attire is a tribute to fierce women, indigenous wisdom, and Adi culture, courage, and identity.